Okay, we are at Tashmoo opening on Martha's Vineyard. Today we're just going to be approaching the opening, paddling around here, and caught a great glimpse of a sailboat coming through, so I hope you enjoy the colors of the water. And the song is called Inside Out. I wrote it myself. I hope you enjoy. Cheers, take care, have a great day.
You really gotta make up your mind when you get the impression you know me inside out. Inside out, get you from the inside. Inside out, you know it'll eat you up. "25 and you got it all figured out. Drop 35 in. I think I made up my mind. When you get the impression, I won't do it. You know I never. You know I wouldn't. Inside out, you really gotta make up your mind. Inside out, you know it'll take you. I wined and dined you. When you ever get the impression that I will never screw you, I never chewed it. So why'd you say I'd ever do it? So many things. Well, I'm back from being back away again. Truth ain't the truth, what you want, what I ride home for. I even Brian on the phone to get one thing clear. Make sure I'm inside out. Gotta be right up front, but you gotta make up your mind. Now, I don't even know where they got the impression that I'd ever do it. Name a time I ever screwed you.